This is the Btalk 3 Plus, very similar to the Pro that we've seen with AMOLED screen. This one's much less expensive, but has all the basic bells and whistles. All these different controls are available to you. You got the pull-out panel on the side with your weather and your time and date. Bluetooth calling in this one, and all the different apps you've recently used, notifications sent from your phone, and of course your step count information, which includes, mind you, the graphs and the comparisons and other things. You've got last night's sleep time information. Heart rate is in here, including 24-hour chart, your average heart rate. You've got weather in your area. And you've got a music player integrated with this one where you can control the volumes, the tracks, everything. All the different activities that you want, your basic ones are listed here, and you can download several of them from amongst 100 plus different activities. You've got the ability to rearrange all of these cards at your leisure as well. Now, when you tap the top button, you get into all of your different apps, phone calling, contacts, call records, it's all here. All your workout stuff, including your workout records, show up. In addition to heart rate, you have blood pressure and blood oxygen on this watch, and sure enough, when you're doing the blood oxygen, it's using the red diode capability too. You got messages sent from your phone and weather. Ladies, your cycle information's here, stopwatches, timers, alarm clocks, calculators and calendars. It's all in here. In settings, you can change your display. The different watch faces are simple to pick from. That one, by the way, is a custom face you can download directly from the store on the app. And you got all the other different features that you see basically in the overall settings. All in all, it's a really nice watch. It's got a nice rubberized band that comes with it that's removable and simple, nice, compact design, and very inexpensive. It's the ZEBLAZE Btalk 3 Plus. Check it out.